Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of dropshipping and tackling a question that might be tripping some of you up. Is Spocket in USD? Now, for all the dropshipping newbies out there, Spocket is a popular platform that connects you with suppliers, allowing you to easily add products to your online store. But with all the talk of product margins and international shipping, currency can get confusing fast. So, fear not, fellow entrepreneurs. This video will clear up the Spocket currency situation and equip you with the knowledge to navigate your dropshipping finances like a pro. The big reveal, Spocket's currency dance. Alright, let's cut to the chase. Yes, Spocket primarily displays product prices in USD, US dollars. This is because they source a large portion of their inventory from AliExpress, a Chinese e-commerce giant, and USD is the dominant currency for international transactions. But here's the good news, Spocket doesn't force you to work exclusively in USD. While browsing their product catalog, you'll see everything in USD, but there's a hidden gem. The magic of conversion, Spocket behind the scenes. Here's where things get interesting. Once you find a product that tickles your fancy and add it to your import list, Spocket works its magic. They automatically convert the USD price to your online store's base currency. This means you can set up your store in euros, pounds, or even your local currency, and Spocket will handle the conversion for you. So, you can focus on building your brand and marketing your products without getting bogged down in currency calculations. Taking control, setting your store's currency. Now, how do you make this conversion magic happen? It all boils down to your chosen e-commerce platform. Most platforms, like Shopify, allow you to set your base currency during store setup. Important note, make sure you double-check your platform's settings. In some cases, depending on your chosen platform, you might need to deactivate their built-in payment processing system to change the base currency. Remember, a little research on your specific platform can save you a lot of frustration later. Benefits of a currency-conscious approach. So, why is understanding Spocket's currency system and setting your store's currency important? Here are a few reasons. Transparency for your customers. Imagine a customer browsing your store, excited about a product, only to get hit with a surprise currency conversion at checkout. Not a great first impression, right? By displaying prices in their familiar currency, you build trust and encourage them to complete the purchase. Simplified accounting. Keeping your financial records straight is crucial for any business. When everything is in your chosen currency, tracking profits, expenses, and taxes becomes a breeze. No more scrambling to convert every transaction at year-end. Mental math made easy. Let's face it, constantly converting between USD and your local currency can get mentally taxing. By setting your store currency, you can focus on product pricing strategies and profit margins without the mental gymnastics. Beyond Spocket, a currency-conscious dropshipping mindset. Understanding Spocket's currency system is just the first step. As you delve deeper into dropshipping, keep these additional currency considerations in mind. Supplier currency. While Spocket handles some conversions, some suppliers might have their own pricing structures. Be sure to check their currency and any potential conversion fees. Shipping costs. International shipping costs can fluctuate based on weight, destination, and even current events. Factor these costs into your pricing strategy, considering both your base currency and the currencies your customers use. By understanding Spocket's currency system and setting your store's base currency, you can eliminate unnecessary headaches and streamline your dropshipping experience. Remember, a little knowledge goes a long way when it comes to managing your finances and building a successful dropshipping business. Call to action. So, have you explored the Spocket platform yet? Let us know in the comments below. And if you have any other dropshipping questions, don't hesitate to ask. We're always happy to help fellow entrepreneurs on their journey. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time, happy dropshipping.